I said no. I said no because I couldn't kill a man who gave me my life back when I almost lost it. I couldn't kill him because of money.
Ifoma, was it only you? What about Mama? What about Mama?
Mama, you will not die. It's not possible. You will be alive for us. I've made plans to fly you abroad for the kidney transplant. And I have strong feeling that after the transplant, you'll be free, okay? You will live for us. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
Thank you very much. God bless you.
And today you don't need to thank me. I'm part of this family now, okay?
Ogom. You are the God that I see today.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.